Hello, in this video I show you how to buy cheap Discord Nitro subscription using Turkish virtual card. I will use a Fups card. This card has the 3DS system so it makes the process easy. You can check the detailed video on how to get the Fups card and how to add money. Find all useful links in the description. Briefly speaking, you need to get a card info. You can buy it on a Plotty web store or find it on my Discord server. Install the Fups application, register and add this card. Then to add money you can use my server market as well or Binance P2P. If you have any questions, check this video or leave a comment about it. Okay, now I want to buy the Nitro. I enable some Turkish VPN. It doesn't work without VPN for me. Then go to the Nitro page of the account settings. I want the one that costs 75 lira. Payment type is card. Now you have to enter your Fups card data and some name. Fill the billing address. Use some fake Turkish address, but make sure you enter the real Turkish zip code. Accept the terms of service, and then it asks to confirm the payment using the 3DS validation. Make sure the validation method is your phone name, not phone number. Click send, and after this I get the confirmation to my phone. Accept the payment, and now Nitro activated. I can use all Nitro perks for only 2.5 euro instead of 10. If you have a payment error, please make sure you have enough money in your Fups account, Turkish VPN is enabled, or check if your card is frozen. Hope this video was useful to you. Thanks for watching.